Hey, yo, Caleb, are you ready to shoot this thing?
First of all, shut up.
Oh, okay.
Trying to get into character here, Carson? Please, could you please let me do that before we film the video? How does that sound?
I'm sorry, I just thought we were ready to shoot this.
Well, why not, Carson? How many times do I gotta tell you? I need to get into character for these things.
Okay.
So take your happy ass back where you came from, and we'll do this again. How does that sound, Carson?
Okay, I'm sorry. I just...
God.
Fuck. Jesus.
Amateurs.
Jesus Christ, what the fuck?
Hi, my name's Caleb. I'm here to cook some Eggs Benedict for you for my submission to Top Chef. I am so excited to be in this competition, and I hope you guys like it. I can't wait to meet Gorgon Bamsit. I'm a huge fan, and I can't wait for you to taste my delicious concoction. Let's get to cooking, shall we? First, we're gonna need some pans.
Sorry.
First, we'll need some pans. Oh my god! First, we'll need some poached eggs. Oh, god damn! Poached eggs. So let's get those from the fridge, shall we? Let's see what we got here. Got a few right here. I think that should be plenty. All right. Poached eggs. Okay. One. Two. So what's cool about these is they actually come pre-cracked for you. So they're just ready to go. And then 3. We're ready to go. Now, we just gotta stir them up. Let's... Just like Mama used to make. And then, after you got them all stirred up...
Are you sure this is how you're supposed to make Eggs Benedict?
Yeah. I did my research, Carson.
Okay, whatever, man. It's just... It seems like there's a lot of shells in it.
Yeah. Crunchy Eggs Benedict. Didn't you hear me when I said it? Crunchy Eggs Benedict.
I don't think you ever said that.
Yeah, I did. Play it back. We'll show that I said it.
Okay.
I'm here to cook some Eggs Benedict for you. Eggs Benedict. Alright, so for poached eggs, you need to cook them in water. So, I got my water right here. And we're ready to go! So, when we're waiting for our eggs to cook, I'm just gonna have a quick little drink.
Fuck, dude.
Well, the eggs look done. Just like Mama used to make. So the eggs are almost done. Just gotta throw a little bit of Jackie Dan's in it, or as I like to call, Jackie Chan, because it gives you a nice kick of flavor.
Dude, what the fuck are you doing? It is 3 in the fucking morning right now. I'm trying to sleep. I gotta work at like 6. What the fuck? Who is this? What the fuck are you? Oh shit! Caleb? Caleb? Are you... Caleb?
So next, for Eggs Benedict, we just need some ham. Unfortunately, we didn't come prepared with any ham. So, we'll just use some hot dogs. That'll work. Hot dogs into the pan. Eggs Benedict calls for thin slices. All right, we're ready to go. Let's check on the stew. Looks good. All right, so next we just need some holiday sauce, and for that, we need some liquid base. Olive oil will do just fine. Some garlic salt to add some zest. Lemon pepper, coffee grounds, and we'll throw some more milk in there. How does that sound?
Caleb, dude, we gotta call the fucking cops, man. I mean, look at you. You're all fucked up. This is getting way out of hand, dude. We can't keep filming this.
No,
We
we have to keep going, Carson. We need Gordon Bambus's attention. All this will be for nothing. For nothing, Carson. All right, now that we got all the ingredients in the pan, we can start mixing. Let's get going, shall we? Finally, we'll just need some bread. Just plop it right in there. Just plop it right in there. Yeah. Mmm. Just like Mom used to make. And now for the plating. Mmm. Shit, fuck, dude. Shit, man, fuck, dude.
Oh fuck! I gotta get the fuck out of here. What the fuck? I gotta get out of here. Holy shit! What the fuck? The door's broken. Oh fuck!